Lichaza ukuthini iBhayibheli lapha ku-1 Corinthians chapter 15 verse 33 uma lithi, do not be deceived, bad company corrupt good character. Lichaza ukuthi i-association yakho kungaba yiyo kwesinye isikhathi ebanga ukuthi ungakhuli spiritual njengomntwana kaNkulunkulu. Okusho ukuthi njengoba usindisiwe, abantu wena ohlala nabo, abantu obabiza ngabangani bakho, uma bangasile into ongiyo, they can be the influence yokuthi wena ungakhuli spiritual, because the character that you are, the good character that you are, they have influence ukuthi wena ungakhuli spiritual. Kwesinye isikhathi ke nabantu abasindiswe njengawe banayo ke into yokuthi ungakhuli spiritual. Imagine kunomuntu osindisiwe, ekseni uhleba umfundisi, emini uhleba umfundisi, ntambama uhleba abafundisi, yonke into ayenza kusindisiwe, but the spirit inside that person is going to corrupt the character that is good in you. Okusho ngamanye amagama ukuhlala noma uku-associate nabantu kunaso isandla sokuthi ube corrupted. Kungakho abaningi they've been corrupted by abangani ababi bona be right. Uthola umngani esindisiwe kodwa umngani ongayi lapho wena ufuna ukuthi kuyiwe khona. Every time direction yomngani ay influence ukuthi nizile ndawonye, nikhulekisane, nibe nomoya ophansi, ninikele. Every time nakumele unikele wena umngani will encourage ukuthi unganikele because abafundisi badla imali. Every time wena nakumele uzile ukuthi uzilelane kubeni uNkulunkulu uyabona ukuthi uhlupheka kangakanani. But lo muntu usindiswe njengawo, but the bad company lo muntu ayiyo will corrupt the good character that you are. Okusho ukuthi bazalwane, your association is very much important. Kunabazalwane abasayima clubbing because they've been corrupted by the bad characters. Kunabazalwane abasenza izinto ezimbi because they are still associating themselves with abantu ababi. Into ongiyo right is going to be corrupted by umuntu omubi. Abanye bebanikela kahle kodwa they were corrupted by bad company. Abanye bebazila kahle but they were corrupted by the bad company. Abanye beba attenda kahle enkonzweni but they were corrupted by the bad company. Abanye bebahlonipha kahle but they were corrupted by the bad company. The bad company corrupts the good character. Okusho ukuthi your association inamandla wokuthi ngakuyekelisa izinto eziright ozenzako. Okusho ukuthi the bad company or your association that you keep into your line can corrupt you ukuthi uhlanze izinto eziright ufake izinto ezwrong. Baningi abantu bebasindiswe kahle but because of the association noma because of the association they baphuma endleleni baqala benza izinto eziphambene nentando kaNkulunkulu because they were corrupted by the bad company.